ቪዲዮን ከመጀመራችሁ በፊት ዩቲዩብ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ፣ እንዲሁም ላይክ ሼር ማድረግ አትርሱ። Let's go. And we have keep in touch or let's keep in touch. አንጠፋፋ እንደዋወል እንደዚህም ሊሆን ይችላል እንገናኝ። let's keep in touch or stay in touch. let's stay in touch. let's stay in touch. hi, how's it going? በዛሬ ትምህርታችን እንዴት አድርገን ስንብትን እንደምንሰናበት አስተምራችኋለሁ። የተለያዩ መንገዶች አሉ ለመሰናበት። ስንብት we have goodbye or farewell እንለዋለን። እንዴት አድርጋችሁ በተለያየ መንገድ ተሰናበታላችሁ የሚለውን አስተምራችኋለሁ። ብዙ ጊዜ የተለመደ ኤክስፕሬሽን አለ see you or goodbye or see you later። ሌላ ኤክስፕሬሽን መጠቀም እንችላለን። እነዚህ በጣም የተለመዱ ናቸው። በጣም ብዙ አማራጮች አሉ። እናንተ የተመቻችሁ አንዱን አገላለጽ ካሁን በፊት ያልተጠቀማችሁን ኤክስፕሬሽን እየመረጣችሁ የተሻለ ኤክስፕሬሽን እንድትጠቀሙ ዛሬ አስተምራችኋለሁ። Let's get started. I'm off. I'm off. I'm off to bed.
I'm off to bed.
I'm off to class.
I'm off to Vienna for the signing of the accords.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
You don't care enough to open the door. I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Gotta go. I gotta go. Or we can simply say, gotta go.
I gotta go to work. I've gotta go to them. We gotta go to class. Why?
Until tomorrow. Until next week. Until our next meeting. Until our next meeting. Until our next meeting.
Until tomorrow then.
Until next week.
Next meeting.
አሁን ደግሞ have እስኪ ተጠቅመን መልካም ምኞትም ነው ስንብትም ነው ያ መልካም ምኞትም ሊሆን ይችላል። have a good day.
Oh, yum. Have a good day. See you.
Have a good day, guys. God bless.
Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one.
Have a good one, sir.
Good one, Professor.
And we have keep in touch or let's keep in touch. አንጠፋፋ እንደዋወል እንደዚህም ሊሆን ይችላል እንገናኝ። let's keep in touch or stay in touch. let's stay in touch. let's stay in touch.
Please stay in touch.
So, stay in touch.
Well, I hope we can keep in touch.
I've gotta get going. I've gotta get going. Or I must be going. I must be going. መሄድ አለብኝ. I must be going.
Thanks, Mum. I've got to get going.
I gotta get going.
I must be going.
ረዘም ላለ ጊዜ ከኛ ተለይቶ ለሚሄድ ሰው ወይ ጉዞ ለሚያደርግ ሰው ራስን ጠብቅ ማለት ስንፈልግ እንዲህ ማለት እንችላለን። Take care. Take care.
I'll see you around.
Okay, take care. Bye.
See you on Tuesday, Jerry.
Bye, Mary. Take care.
Bye.
Catch you later. I'll catch you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Speak to you later. I'll speak to you later. Bye. I'll speak to you later.
Speak to you later.
Talk to you later.
I'll catch you later.
Great. Catch you later.
This will do for today. See you on my next video.